Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable Always Use Secure Connections on Google Chrome, so your browsing stays safer and more private with just a few simple taps. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen of the browser, not inside a specific settings page yet. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots. This opens the Chrome menu where you'll find several options to customize your browsing experience. From this list, scroll down a bit and select Settings. This is where all your Chrome preferences are located. Once you're inside Settings, continue by tapping on Privacy and Security. This section is important because it controls how Chrome protects your data, your activity, and your overall browsing safety. Now look for the option labeled Always Use Secure Connections. When you find it, simply toggle it on. Once enabled, Chrome will automatically try to upgrade your connections to a more secure HTTPS version whenever possible.